It is me, brother man.
What's of all I bring up for food to you, boys?
Yes. Boys, listen.
Lesson for Aboki Naija.
Just idiot.
Lesson for Aboki.
Something that carry me. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. You guys give me explain.
Well, let me argue on this for ghost. Why you?
Nah, maybe the ghost now.
You boss.
Nah, maybe the ghost.
You boss. Yeah, you are the boss.
Nah, maybe the ghost.
You boss.
Nah, maybe the ghost.
Me my boss. Me my boss.
What happened? They waste money.
Then tell them for me, make I give them something for ghost. I go bless them for me.
They play. I take drink. I'm not so hungry for you. Hey, you should talk something here.
I'm telling you.
Next time, don't do like that. So
you the boss. You my boss.
Look at this.
I take this one. What this one now?
You don't know why it's going on.
Not anything.
See me? I don't know say you my boss.
Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. You guys give me explain.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Aboki, you dey enjoy your chop cucumber?
Well, make I cut them for you.
Aboki, cut them for me. Make I follow you enjoy.
You dey use your right to play.
Omo.
So they play.
Yo, now what you doing, enjoy with this?
Oh, alright.
Alright,
you sit down for me. No, I didn't want to do I didn't want to
So, you not see any other fruits, banana, mango, all those things the way food there. You say you want eat fruit, that's okay. Go inside, go pick fruit. Then you pick my cucumber. Why now?
So what you talking about? Go inside. What make I take them for anything? But I take them for cucumber, man.
You can't go carry cucumber.
Why the best man? I tell them for me, but anytime make I call them for anything, man. So me I take them for cucumber.
please. Now you get the cucumber. Aboki,
He shock you.
what is? You don't know what thing get the carry cucumber do? Aboki,
Me.
you wash the cucumber what you give me?
Why I go water? Cucumber I clean, man.
You know wash cucumber, you carry cucumber give me my chop.